Excuse me? My hair grew long fast.
But you actually don't know me. It's just a drive, you know what I'm saying? Hey, oh, hey, that my fault. You caught me off guard. Acting like you know me, dog. Oh, yeah, that's my beat. Telling me how I should do it. When you ain't me, guess you gon' see, yeah. Young boy out here chasing dreams. Everything that good ain't what it seems, yeah. Watch out now, you tryna cramp my style. What you doing, cause you wild.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturally Mary here. If you are new, be sure to subscribe by the end. I have a bomb wig for you guys that's gonna have people thinking that your hair grew long. It's gonna confuse you. You're gonna be thinking it's yours because it looks so real, y'all. I always rave about Myfirstwig's Yaki hair texture. I actually have a lace front from them that's my favorite unit. Well, straighter texture unit that is. But this unit doesn't require a lace front. There's no lace front needed. It actually has a headband in the front, and then it has this Velcro design on the end so that you can secure it in place. This unit also comes with combs and an adjustable strap, so it's fully secured on your head and it's gonna look like it's growing from your scalp. I just love this construction. I'm so happy that many companies are creating it now. I wasn't sure if I was gonna be able to do a middle part or not because my hair, of course, is kinky curly, and if I were doing a kinky curly texture, then doing a middle part would work, but I wasn't sure about that for this construction, so I decided to close up the middle, bring all my hair back, and I really wasn't sure if that was going to work either, but I decided to give it a go. And after prepping my natural hair with Eco Styler gel and getting it really nice and sleek by combing it and then using a brush, it turned out really well. So I'm going to let you all watch this process and then I'll come back on when I get to the next step.
That's what she said. Yep, that's what she said. Every time I come around, she acting shy. She be looking good, she be looking fly. She told her mama that I make her feel like she don't need all that makeup, she don't need no weed. A little lip gloss, yeah, that's all she need. She keep it simple indeed because it make her feel. She never eat fast food cause it make her sick. Only meat and potatoes, yeah, that girl she thick. No surgeries over here, so you know she feel. When we out in the street, she don't need attention. She ain't out here making scenes, she don't need auditions. I'm her #1 fan, so I hope she really.
Alright, now that my natural hair is nice and sleek and well protected, we can now begin to install the headband wig. And y'all, it's so simple. This is such a throw on and go wig. It's so beginner friendly. You just need to put it on, insert the combs in the back, and then attach the Velcro. It's as easy as that.
I give her all my love with no hesitations. I give her all my time, yeah, no limitations. It's time for her vacation cause she need to feel like one time.
Y'all, this wig is a game changer. It will have you looking like your hair grew overnight. And the texture is so perfect. And I'm so glad I got it in length 16 because it's a very realistic length. This density is also really good. Right now, I'm just gonna straighten it out with my flat iron just to make sure it's nice and sleek. But it does give a really nice effortless look right out of the package, so you could wear it like that as well.
Baby, baby, you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me trying to stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times were cherished. No comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you, yeah. All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute, girl, you know you cute.
Y'all, this this looks so good, and my hair actually blends really nice with this texture, and I didn't have to straighten it, which is so awesome. I am so in love with it. Every natural needs a wig like this. It's the perfect wig for protective styling. It's amazing. So right now I'm going to show you all the wig with different types of headbands that I picked up. I got this set of 20 from Amazon. I bought another one, y'all. I keep doing the most with these headbands. So I got headbands that look like this, that knot in the front and that wrap around your entire head. And I also got some that you just put on the front of your head, and I'll show those in a moment. I will be sure to link all of the headbands that I got down in the description box, but y'all, I got some beautiful ones. So I'm going to show you all these. I'm also going to show you all some styles, so keep watching.
Girl, you know you cute. Girl, you know you cute. Yeah. You're a pretty girl, stuck in a pretty bad world. Oh, you got the nerve, wearing that skirt that been grabbing your curves. If you ask me, you got that drip chocolate factory. All of these chicks coming at me, but none of these girls can be to you. In Paris, make some times we'll cherish. Baby, that no comparing to you. Lady, come here, let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See, you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You don't even open up, so your heart can't get crushed. You've been let down so many times, you wonder if you need to get up. You done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up. Hey, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. People say forever is a mighty long time, I don't know. I ain't really tripping if it mean that I'm holding you close to me. Baby girl, you all I need. Your smile is everything. Come and be my company. You need to take off for work. We can road trip in the A. We can take a dip by the bay. Hop on a plane, go to Spain. No matter the place, girl, you melt my heart like Pompeii. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You done been through too much, so I ain't tryna mess this up. No, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation, yeah. We paint the picture while they be tracing, yeah. Landing in all type of nations.
Alright y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope that you all love this headband wig as much as I do. This is the best headband wig for those who are looking for a straighter, silk press, natural hair look. It's gonna blend really well and allow you to grow your hair during the process of protective styling with a gorgeous wig that's gonna look natural, like it's your own hair. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Check the description box. All the links and specifications are provided down there. I love you guys and I look forward to your comments and feedback. Bye. I'll see you all in my next video.
Let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like.